You decided to subscribe to Jusnote to manage your team, work with clients, and achieve more by doing less. You can go to your subscription settings from several places of Jusnote. The first one is in the header of the system, right here. The second place is actually by going to your settings and then clicking on subscription. This is a page where you will see all of your payment history, as well as you can change and update your subscription plans. Because we're using a trial version of the system, we just need to tap on the one button, Purchase subscription. The next step is choosing the right subscription plan for your particular legal practice. For example, if you're an individual lawyer or you have a small law firm, you should choose Classic. Professional and premium plans are for medium-sized or large companies. Let's choose professional for now. Also, you can select if you want to pay annually or monthly. We recommend you to pay annually because it is the cheapest way to use Jusnote. Scroll down, and now you should choose the number of users that will work with Jusnote. Here you can also see the calculation of your total cost. Tap on Next. Here you can see the preview of your subscription plan, its cost, how you want to pay it annually or monthly, and the number of users. Also you can see the total amount here. The next step is actually choosing how you would like to pay for the system. I mean, what service you want to use. For example, you can use PayPal, but we will introduce this service sooner this year. You can pay by using your credit card, or if you are a company and want to pay in bank, just tap on this button. For now, let's choose credit card and tap on Pay. The system will automatically redirect you to the payment service, where you can enter the information about your credit card. After you fill in all the fields, tap on Pay. After paying for your subscription plan, the system will show that you have successfully enabled Jusnote for managing your legal practice. Also, you will see a record that you have paid for Jusnote and when the subscription plan expires. You can always change or update your subscription plan by going to Change and Update tab and then select, for example, different subscription plan, or if you want to increase the number of users, just tap on plus and add more users to your account. Here is how you can pay for Jusnote and actually everything you need to know to start using Jusnote with all of its powerful features.